Hello everybody, I am S.A. Samad, an ex-employee of COVA. Worked as training coordinator during 2005 and 6, and also in second phase I worked in UNHCR refugee project. Working in COVA was an enriching experience. We as a team conducted many training programs on capacity building as well as perspective building for grassroots organizations, as well as network partners spread over 9 districts of Andhra Pradesh. In especially in PAP trainings, Peace Alliance Partners training, we conducted trainings on communal harmony, imparting communal harmony, whereby the biases and prejudices inside oneself were brought out and made to know how hollow they were, and actions promoting communal harmony were ensured, were taken, and this was a very good experience for the organizations who gave very good feedback, as well as for me. I became totally dispassionate and a religious casteist. My entire attitude and behavior changed after imparting these trainings. As well as we imparted trainings to Police Academy, National Police Academy for IPS training officers for consecutive 6 years. And also to 4,000 trainings were given overall to 750 partner organizations. As a preparation, lot of research work I did on history, to bring out the facts, to prepare quizzes promoting this communal harmony. So it imparted my knowledge, and I became tech savvy in this stint, because I first time started using laptop and systems. LCD, we were giving trainings on LCD. So this was a very good experience, having worked in COVA, and I had exposure to various other states, including Kashmir, where we imparted trainings in 2006 to the Kashmiri organizations, where COVA was working post earthquake time. So I enjoyed having worked in COVA. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Irfan. I worked in COVA as a research officer way back in 2004, and it's a privilege for me to be a part of COVA, organization that has become a trailblazer in promoting peace, social justice, inclusion for the past 30 years. One of the most powerful legacies of COVA, I can say, is its peace network, which, with its deep commitment towards evidence-based advocacy, research-based work that has been there over 3 decades. COVA has conducted more than 25 such significant research and study projects, collaborating with esteemed partners such as Oxfam Novib, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Vani, CBGA, and Royal Tropical Institute, Netherlands, etc. These studies have covered a wide range of critical issues, from local governance and basic services to national economic policies and international financial systems. They reflect not just academic inquiry, but COVA's drive to understand and respond to the realities of marginalized communities it wants to work with. The highlights, I can say, includes the pioneering studies by like death by dignity after the COVID-19, financial inclusion in G20 countries, analysis of Muslims, the union budget, and innovative concepts like growth, equity, peace, and sustainability, GEPS audit. From micro enterprises in BRICS economies to empirical studies on taxes paid by the poor, each piece that COVA has done is remarkable. It has informed policy, shaped public discourse, and amplified the voices of the marginalized and unheard. We also explored the intersections of religion, history, and peace through initiatives like Thousand Years of Conflict and Peace in the Deccan and Messages of Oneness, which embody COVA's unique lens, one that value coexistence, equity, and dignity. And what I can say right now is I'm proud to have been a part of COVA's legacy in its meaningful journey. As COVA celebrates its 30 years, let us celebrate its unwavering belief that knowledge can be a catalyst for justice and transformation. Thank you and congratulations to the entire COVA family.
Greetings from COVA. I am Shakir Ali and I worked as Program Officer of COVA for the Children's Department. I was coordinating the campaign by COVA and partner organizations for the implementation of the provision of RT Act for 25% free admissions in private schools to children belonging to economically weaker sections under the provisions of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act of 2009 under Section 121C. In spite of this act of the Parliament of India and the judgment by a five-members bench of the Honorable Supreme Court of India on 6th May 2014, the act was not being implemented by the government of Telangana and also by private schools in the state. After tireless efforts with the political system and the bureaucracy from 2010 to 2015, COVA and partner organization managed to get an order from the Director of School Education, Government of Telangana, to the Joint Regional Director of Education for Hyderabad and Warangal on 17th March 2015 to implement model rules in the state for 25% free admissions in private schools as per the provisions of the RT Act from the academic year 2015-16. However, the joy was very short-lived as within a week the government of Telangana issued fresh orders suspending the directive of the Director of School Education, and it was clear that free admissions will not be available to poor students. Immediately, COVA and partner organizations filed a writ petitions in the High Court of Hyderabad, and the Honorable Court admitted the writ seeking directions for effective implementation of the Act on 1st April 2015. It is over 10 years, and despite many directions from the High Court, the government of Telangana has still not started implementation of the Act as per statute. COVA will continue to pursue this case till the poor students get justice. Thank you.
Hyderabad experiencing heavy rains, short duration rains, and urban flooding. And it showed a warning call in the year 2000. It's not only in Hyderabad, across the country, all major cities have faced this problem. Recognizing this escalating danger, COVA, consortium of voluntary agencies which works on issues cutting across the caste, creed, and religion. It took the first step in 2000, prepared a video documentary, with a prime objective of creating awareness and sensitize the citizens, system, and the governance. It went a long way. Again, it felt in 2020 that need for the second a second attempt intervention, and this time it's a collaboration work with an academic institution, Central University, Communications Department, and it went a long way not only in identifying the basic issues why the urban flooding is happening, and also identified the gaps both in preparedness, mitigation. That was a well coordinated video which could place several suggestions and advices to the governance system to prepare the entire city along with the citizens on preparedness, make city rain ready. So that was a wonderful contribution by the organization, a civil society's organization. And we are all happy and privileged in associating with in these initiatives right from 2000. And government, it looks somehow it reached our efforts to the governance system, and today the government committed itself to make Hyderabad flood free. Let's make together Hyderabad rain ready, flood free. Please join us. Thank you.
COVA has played a very significant role in crafting peace among religions and social and cultural communities in the city of Hyderabad. Right from its inception, in fact, COVA was born in the thick of communal tensions that actually began in 1991 and the years that followed. And it is in that context that COVA really took shape as an organization that crafted peace, that brought peace among communities and understanding among communities. Something very significant that COVA was able to facilitate through religious leaders was the helping people to download the app that was created by the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation to access services and facilities made available by the municipal corporation. Religious leaders, for instance, the Archbishop of Hyderabad issued a very special circular to all the parishes that were read in the parishes on Sundays, asking people to download this special app that was created by the GHMC. Similarly, Jamaat-e-Islami, they even printed posters as part of the campaign to create awareness among people. So much so that in 4 or 5 months, the number of downloads went up by 5 lakhs. 500,000 new downloads were made during those 4 or 5 months when COVA, through religious leaders, facilitated this campaign.